Of this token I've been giving you, for instance, when we took fight was using the Fibonacci 2, right? When I gave you a trade on fight, it was using the Fibonacci 2. 𝗕𝗲𝗃 was using the Fibonacci 2. And the market came back to those levels that will actually use the Fibonacci 2. Personally, there are other important numbers on the Fibonacci 2 that you can pay attention to. But personally, I use the golden level. And the golden level is anything between the 0.618 down to the 0.786. Okay, those are the areas that are regarded as the golden level. And when the market pulls up like this, okay, when you have a market moving up with a massive candle like this, all you just need, it works on all time frame. All you just need to do is to wait for that pullback to this golden level and you'll be buying, right? It may not happen immediately. It can take a day or two before that will play out. And once that works out, okay, once that plays, you will be using even the Ethereum that I shared with you yesterday that is currently going very well right now. Is the same strategy, the same Fibonacci pattern that I use. And I've talked about Fibonacci on my channel, right, where I even shared the template that I'm using and how to go ahead and set it up. So if you have not seen that video, make sure you go ahead and share it. Now, this is what I'm basically using to gradually grow my funded account from 𝗘𝗲𝗃𝗚, right? I'm currently trading a 200K account from 𝗘𝗲𝗃𝗚, and I've said earlier, I'd said this time with that number, 𝗘𝗲𝗃𝗚 is a crypto-based proof firm platform. They fund crypto traders to trade crypto, and they can fund you up to $200,000, right? Their minimum funded account here is $5,000. So you can try this out and go ahead and check out. I've published many videos about withdrawal proof and the rest. So far in the crypto space, this is the platform that allows you to trade all of the crypto assets that are listed or crypto pairs that are listed on Bybit without limiting you to just trading only BTC and Ethereum or limiting you to just 10 crypto assets. You trade everything that's listed on Bybit, and you can use any leverage of your choice. So if you want, you can check out my bio or the video description to go and check out 𝗘𝗃𝗃𝗚 if you want to get funded. And lastly, guys, proof firm platform are not meant for those who want to learn how to trade. It is meant for those who already know how to trade, but they need capital, right? But they need capital to start trading. So if you already have the skill and you need the funds to start trading, then 𝗘𝗃𝗃𝗚 is that crypto proof firm platform that you can actually trust. Go and try that. And one good thing I like about proof firm platform is that it makes you a disciplined trader, right? This is not a platform where you come buy a proof firm account and then you want to open trades without putting stop losses. If you do that and they suspect that after 1 hour you did not put stop loss, you will fail the account. So it makes you a disciplined trader. I've tried that, first evaluation, second evaluation, third evaluation, and it was always stop losses issue. And a lot of you who are buying recently, is either you are forgetting to put stop loss or you are putting the stop loss bigger than the amount you are supposed to risk. So if you want to learn more, if you need help passing your evaluation phase, please do contact me via Telegram. The link to will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio to join us on Telegram. All right. So 𝗘𝗃𝗃𝗚 or crypto proof firm platforms, 𝗘𝗃𝗃𝗚 is for professional traders, those who already know how to trade. And that's the whole essence of evaluation phase. Because during that evaluation, you tell them that, oh, I know how to trade and I can do 10% of this account you funded, or I can do 15% of this account you funded, right? Go and try that, and let's see how it goes. If you need help once again, do let me know and we'll be able to assist you. So that is it for today. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so that whenever videos like this are published or whenever I go live on this channel, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you want to learn more, take advantage of all the signals we share every day, join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that. Bye-bye, everyone.